This is Waltham American pocket watch. It is gold fill. It is a size 18S. It has a very pretty ornate bezel. I would say this watch is for parts or repair, as it's missing a crystal and it's missing its second hand, but it is a runner. And a lot of these bezels, a lot of the time, can be in gold cases, like real gold cases. The back is a star motif. W for Waltham. Sides. Also quite pretty. There are some dings in the back case, unfortunately, that need to be dealt with. Furthermore, as far as problems go, somebody who was presumably an animal scratched the case in a few spots. And I'm guessing, just guessing since they did that they also did this. This case screw, this case retaining screw, is stripped. It will not bite. It's not the screw either, because I've tried the other screw just to see, and it will not bite. It does not want to know. So that's another problem. This watch needs a servicing anyway, but it's also been running without complaint. So there's that. Turn this around. American Waltham Watch Company. Some scratches by someone who, if I had a time machine, I'd like to go back and slap for doing something like that. And a stripped case screw. Rest of the screws seem alright. Balance is moving along happily. And that's pretty much it. Back case has dings. But I don't have the equipment to fix something like that. And the front bezel does have a hairline, but it still presents quite well. It's quite pretty. No crystal, but it is running. So, American Waltham Watch Company have the raw material here for a very nice pocket watch. Needs a little love, and that's about all I have to say about this, because I am a straight razor guy usually. So anyway, it is a lovely thing.